Hello and welcome to OBX Places to Stop. I am OBX Dude, and this may be a place that you want to stop on your trip to the Outer Banks. Today we are at the corner of Bay Drive and Tateway. That's the way south down Bay Drive, and that's the way east down Tateway. It's actually a beautiful view from up here. It's a little windy today, so please bear with me. But Wilbur and Orville came here for a reason. This is one of the most windiest places on earth. Right here, you are going to take a turn on wind grass circle right there at the stop sign. You're going to go down this hill. You may want to stop here. It's just a nook and cranny on the Outer Banks. Looks like a cul-de-sac. There's a gate. There's a little beach down here. Here's the Windgrass Circle Park. There's the rules. And it is a Kitty Hawk public beach access there. No through traffic or outlet. No parking this side of the street. I don't see no facilities on this one. There's some rules here. No parking, half-hour sunset mounted, subject penalty to Kitty Hawk ordinance. They do have physically challenged facilities. They've got a nice path here for walking your dog. The Wright Brothers multi-use path. There's a gate here, so you can't get through. It's for walking only. No motorized vehicles. There's a doggy poop bag station. This is what we call Kitty Hawk Bay. Do not climb trees. That's what it's saying, don't climb the trees. There's a little dock here with some seats. Walk out there and fish, or crab if you wish. Waves are kind of rough today. There's a ramp here. Wheelchair accessibility. It's a trash receptacle, please use it. There's your recycling stuff. Oh, the area's closed. Unlawful to take oysters, clams, and mussels. U.S. Marine Fisheries. There, that's back up the hill that way. Somebody's got their dinghy tied up out here. Let's slip our shoes off real quick. There we go. There is somewhat of a white sandy beach. Here under the trees. Just another nook and cranny. Here on the Outer Banks, a place you may want to stop. Right here. Gives you a feeling of being in the forest. There's a storm down south today. No osprey this year. Usually the osprey build up there. But this is it. Like you're in the forest. White sandy beach. Maybe a place you want to stop here on the Outer Banks. It's raining over that way, you can see it. One thing about the Outer Banks, you can see the bad weather coming a long ways off. Path leading up through the walkway up there. This may be a place. Bring your chair. When there's a breeze, you don't need no bug spray. Not usually a breeze here on the Outer Banks. Please don't leave litter, and if you do see litter, take a second and pick it up. Everybody will thank you later. I challenge everybody to pick up your litter. And I'm here alone. Don't leave your towels. If you're on vacation and you're done with your towels, take them with you. All right, just a little spot here on the Outer Banks you may want to stop. Well, thank you very much for watching, and y'all have a great day.